the three of us are here as Mercy alum to represent where we came from and what we want to do to help IBM get Mercy students. I'm finance, but I'm accounting. I'm a JBS financial accountant.
I am more specifically in financial planning and strategic budgeting within IBM for the cognitive side of the company.
I'm on the technology support services team, and I help with financial planning as well as other financial analysis.
The tables have turned from being on that side of the table to being on this side, and it is a wonderful experience.
It's surreal. It's surreal. It's been a while since I've been here in this capacity, and I'm looking at everything that's going on. Former student athlete, now on the professional side. I'm really excited. I'm very proud of what Mercy is doing, looking forward to the talent coming in. I'm excited for the students.
I feel myself changing as a person for the better, and I know that Mercy has a lot to offer. I know personally a lot of a lot of friends here are great people to be looking into as far as the future of IBM, so that's why we're here.
I think Mercy was definitely crucial to where I got today. The programs that they have really develop who you are for your soft skills, your hard skills, to have that experience to go into the work field and not feel unprepared, to say, I know how to do this and I'm going to do it, and then excel at what you want to do.
It's about constant learning. You have to be excited about what's the next thing. One disappointment, it's not a delay. It just means it's a moment for preparation for you to reassess. They should understand that it's commitment, it's dedication, it's networking, it's finding the right resources and aligning yourself to it and planning for where you think you need to be, and then being flexible, in case the tables turn, how can you better, align yourself and use your network, use your resources. Student life here is fantastic. It always has been, and I think they ought to leverage that.